When he was the Patriots.
You know, I don't watch none of that old Fred Dre. I wait till the motherfucking
He gonna have a pretty good defense.
Cause he fuck the last.
Can he win a game?
Yeah.
That's all what it's gonna come down to. Dak, can you win a game?
Shit.
Just see the game 27-25. You got the ball last all minute. Dak ain't gonna throw the motherfucking right play. He got to go and look. He got to go look for it.
He gonna try to run.
No, he got to go look for it.
Out of bounds.
You got to go look. He got to go look for it. I ain't never looked for no play. I know what the play is.
Okay, especially if you the one calling the motherfucker.
Come on, man.
You calling the play, then like
he trying to play like they telling him, Mike.
That shit crazy.
Shit, you can't play that shit.
Crazy motherfuckers in there who won't listen to everybody, nigga. Is they telling you how to run when the motherfucker chasing your ass? Do they tell you run with your left foot before the right foot? No, man, it's just instinct sometimes, bro. It's just crazy.
Nah, I think
he sit up there, get in the middle, tell me, "Oh, I took all the blame."
I think
bitch, what you gonna blame, bitch?
I think he done went white, Mike. I think he done went white.
Well, shit, that wasn't all right. Can't be sitting up there acting like you know what you doing and shit. You get up in there.
He trying to play how they
15 yards back before you throw the ball.
He trying to play how they tell him to play because he's a 7-round pick.
Yeah,
but he done got his money now. Well, he done got his money now. All he need to do is play football and win. You know, that nigga beat Alabama in college.
Yeah, I know that's what they got.
They were number one. They were number one week, and then the next week they lost it. But they were number one week. That's why I always go for him because I think he got a chance.
Yeah, bless his heart.
He got a good chance, yeah. Well, nobody looking for that man to be in that position.
I don't give a damn.
Said like I don't either.
I don't give a damn about no press guy. He better do a damn job and carry your ass home. Ain't got time for all that bullshit. Sitting up there wanting, oh, I'll take the blame. Bitch, who else you gonna blame? You crazy motherfucker, you the quarterback. I take all the blame. We know that. Shit. Crazy motherfucker, shit. You the motherfucker who throwing the ball. Who else we gonna be mad at?
He's not a leader, Mike.
Yeah, no, he
don't have no leadership quality.
Crazy ass.
No, he don't.
I'm like, boy, who else we gonna blame?
He don't have no leadership quality, Mike.
Getting all these new booties and shit, then they get in there acting retarded, they trying to groom them and shit. Man, get your ass on, man. We need somebody who's gonna do their job.
Your leadership need to be about the game.
He trying to play. He acting like he come a little slow. That's why he acting like he a little slow to him.
Nigga acting my ass. He can't do it. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Boy, sit your bitch ass down with that shit, man. Just throw that goddamn ball.
Say, you know. If I would have been a basketball player or something, I'd have been like Lamar Jackson.
Throw that motherfucking ball.
No, I know what I'm gonna do with it.
Shit, crazy motherfucker.
You gotta know what you gonna. That guy like you don't know what you gonna do.
Going back down there 15 yards and shit. By the time you take out
I don't even know how you become a quarterback without having that instinct. I know, man.
That shit crazy, man. I'm like, look at this joke.
Ball in your hand, man.
That's the
ball in your hand.
Hot potato.
Shit. Hot potato, I know how to get rid of it.
All right, then.
Cold potato, goddamn, man, look at it.
God, you supposed to be knowing what to do with that motherfucker. When you touch it, you gotta go.
Come on.
He can hold up there. Till they on his ass, then try to like, oh, man.
I can't. I don't see it.
15 yards back. So when you take out run, that's on the 5 yards you gain.
I don't see it. I don't believe it. I hope it happens though. I don't see it in that.
Hell no. I already know that the booty poo. He the weakest link, but we paid him, so we from railroad his ass. I ain't playing.
That's why I say I don't want no. I wonder why he won't go and just be back.
I'm finna give a nigga some money.
Quit trying to be what they trying to tell you what to be.
Finna give
go and play quarterback. You get nobody, you know. I would.
Nobody finna give him. He in trouble. He in trouble.
That's what made Michael Vick stick out. Yeah. They couldn't win, but they know how to handle their business.
Yeah.
He ain't even fight. He ain't fighting, man.
That nigga, I don't understand.
I told you, all them boys up been to the Super Bowl and everything. Dak goddamn been in the league longer than is. This nigga done been 3 times.
That's what I say. Just don't understand. You
young quarterback.
What?
Dak ain't gonna make it. If he don't improve, he's not gonna make it.
You don't understand.